Dozens of wide-eyed high school students focused on the future. They are all interested in medicine, but until now, that career path seemed a bit abstract.
Lasers go through the blood, count the separate cells.
Salinas Valley Memorial, along with the Monterey County Investment Board, held a recent health fair, allowing the teenagers access to all 9 medical departments inside the hospital.
We really hope that this exposure helps the students who are already interested in healthcare really determine what path they want to follow.
Yeah, I got a lot of information, and now I'm kind of thinking about going into a different career. Maybe an X-ray technician.
The on-location fair gave the kids excellent exposure to a day in the life of a medical professional.
I think it helps students want to go to the healthcare field because they learn about what they actually do from a person who does it and see that it can be fun and not boring because it's different every day.
They've been actually very, very interested in what we had to show, especially when we showed the cardiac sonography stuff and they actually showed an ultrasound of the heart. The kids' eyes just lit up. It was amazing to see their reaction to actually be able to look inside of a person's heart right there on the screen, and they were very interested afterwards in learning more about that career path as well.
The kids witnessed the pressures and rewards that come along with the job, and also learned about the industry's starting salaries and different schedule options.
And one of the main things that we've been working on in the healthcare sector are getting more young people interested in allied health and nursing careers, primarily allied health careers, because of the growing and aging population with the baby boomers retiring and the population growing. There's so many people leaving the workforce and so many individuals, young individuals in particular, that are unaware of a lot of these high-wage, high-growth career opportunities.
For Salinas Valley Memorial Healthcare System, this fair is an important investment in the future of healthcare on the Central Coast.
Well, I think for the hospital specifically, it really introduces students to Salinas Valley Memorial Hospital. It also gives us the opportunity as a hospital to engage those students in a volunteer opportunity that might pique their interest in a health career. So if we can keep those local students here and get them interested in our hospital, then we're really reinvesting back in the community by making sure that those students are aware of the opportunities that's available to them.
For the healthcare professionals on staff, the fair gave them an opportunity to reflect on some of their earliest interests in medicine, as well as motivate a new generation of healthcare providers.
These students come from different socioeconomic backgrounds, and therefore that means that they will have to compete with students who have probably more advantages than they do. And what does that mean? That means they have to work harder. And when they work harder and they do well, then doors open for them. And I want to stress that, because that's exactly what happened to me. I mean, I was probably in a disadvantaged area. I grew up in Southern California. I knew that if I had to compete with the students from throughout the state, also in the nation, I would have to work hard. And I did, and I was able to go to medical school and do well.
Of course, getting through any medical or nursing school will be a challenge, but the ultimate prize will be a fulfilling career that makes a difference to so many each and every day.
I hope that they find that this is going to be a very rewarding career for them, and that it's worth the school and it's worth the training, and to help another human and to help somebody survive and live another day and a better quality of life is hopefully what they take away from today.
For more information on health careers at Salinas Valley Memorial Healthcare System or the high school volunteer program, log on to svmh.com.